Hello everyone, welcome to SuperManage. In today's video, let's see how easy it is to add a new advance against an employee and settle that advance in SuperManage application. First, navigate to the advance section by clicking on this HRMS section. Click on the advance. Here, we'll be adding an advance against an employee. By clicking on this button Add Advance, click the plus icon and select the employee for whom the advance needs to be created. If required, supporting documents can also be uploaded. This step is optional and SuperManage allows you to upload documents in JPG, JPEG, PNG or PDF format. Next, select the date of the advance, enter the amount and enter comment if needed and simply click on the Submit button. Now the advance is recorded against the selected employee. After adding the advance, you can view it under the employee's advance details. The screen shows the advance amount, date, and any remarks associated with it. From the three-dot menu, you can edit the advance, add a settlement, or see the settlement history from here. Now, we'll be adding a settlement for this employee. Simply click and select the settlement type from here. The amount will be automatically fetched. Select the date of the settlement and enter description, which is optional. Finally, click on the Submit button. Now, the settlement has been recorded. SuperManage keeps the advance status organized so that you can easily track ongoing and settled advances. You can also open the settlement history to view the details of the settlements made against the advance. And that's it. With SuperManage, adding employee advances and tracking their settlements is simple, organized, and easy to manage, all from one place. Thank you.